In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize table of contents levels and styles in Word. If you already have a table of contents in your document, these steps will help you control exactly which headings are included and how each level looks, so your table is both accurate and visually consistent. Start by clicking anywhere inside your table of contents. This tells Word you want to work with the table, and it activates the tools you need. Now go to the References tab at the top, select Table of Contents, and choose Custom Table of Contents. This opens the main dialog where you can fine-tune what appears in the table and how it's formatted. Next, look for the Show Levels box. Set this to the number of heading levels you want to include. For example, if you only want main headings and subheadings, choose 2. If your document goes deeper and you want those third-level subheadings included, choose 3. Pick a number that reflects the depth of your outline. If you're not sure, start with 3. You can always come back and adjust. To refine the appearance, click Modify. Here you'll see styles named TOC1, TOC2, and TOC3. These correspond to the levels you just chose. TOC1 is your top-level entries, TOC2 is the next level down, and TOC3 follows beneath that. Select TOC1 and use Modify to change font, size, or color so your top-level entries stand out appropriately. For spacing and indentation, open the Format options in this window and choose Paragraph. Adjust spacing before or after to control the breathing room between lines, and set left indents or first line indents to create a clear hierarchy. Repeat the same approach for TOC2 and TOC3, keeping the formatting consistent but slightly stepped so each level is easy to scan. When you're satisfied, click OK to close the Modify screens, then click OK again in the main dialog. If Word asks to replace the existing table, choose Yes. This refreshes the table with your new settings. Finally, update the table to apply everything. Click in the table and choose Update Table, then select Update Entire Table to make sure both the entries and the formatting are refreshed. If something doesn't look right, revisit the custom table of contents and modify options to fine-tune your levels and styles. Save your document to keep the changes, and you're done.